Hi guys, Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be opening these 10 coin rolls that I got from the bank, and I want to show you guys what I find. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. All right guys, look at this right here. I'm going through the first roll and I find a wheat cent. Let's see what it is. 1951. All right, so that's the first wheat cent out of the 10 rolls. It's the first one. So let's see what else I can find. Okay guys, so I am into the third penny roll right now, and look at this copper coin. Beautiful, 1971. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. It looks amazing. So I'm definitely going to put this in the penny holder. And yeah, let's keep on going. Okay guys, so we're in roll 8 now, and look at this. Look at this. I don't know who mutilated this coin, but I've seen quite a few of these in penny rolls, and I always wondered if it was from the mint, but I think somebody manipulated this. But yeah, I'm gonna set this to the side. I probably won't even try and sell this. This is just someone damaging a coin and trying to pass it off as a mint error. That's what I truly believe. But yeah, I just wanted to show this to you guys because it was interesting. Okay guys, so this is pack number 10. I just went through it and I didn't find anything. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, and then I'm going to do a recap of what all I found for this coin roll hunt. All right, be back. So here we are. We have this coin that looks or appears to be damaged. I found this one. Looks like somebody just took a drill to it or something. Then we found the one wheat cent, a 1951. It's okay condition, fair condition. And this beautiful 1971. And that's all we found this time, guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.